Hello, welcome to the G Cody Show. Today we're speaking about yes, that's part of it. We're trying to figure out what kind of Japanese animation do you like better? And manga or whatever it's called, manga, or anime.
You know, manga and anime are the same thing. It's just manga is a book that you read, and anime is that book coming alive into cartoons.
So which one do you like better, the book or the
videos?
Please put that in the comment section. And also, I want to advertise something actually. Please go to Fail Toy. It is funny and awesome.
Hey, did you participate in the...
And subscribe to it. It's like totally awesome, dude. Totally awesome. Alright, well, I'll talk to you guys later. Tell me what you think about that Mike Mozart thing. Fail Toy. I'll talk to you later. Bye.